Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's episode of free VST plugin for music production you may like, we have an interesting update. Analog Obsession just released an update on their known harmonic-based enhancing plugin called Lovend. And according to Analog Obsession, they said they upgraded by writing the DSP of the plugin, and as you can see on the screen, it is totally different. The UI is different from the previous one. So for those who don't know, this plugin helps to enhance the quality of your bass instrument, helping it cut through mixes by introducing some sort of harmonics and giving you the ability to narrow down certain frequency by boosting it or cutting it out. And I also believe this output adds some sort of analog color to the material, but I'm not sure. Let's find out quickly. Alright, on their official site, you can see, I think I was wrong. It is just a normal output that ranges from -10 dB to +10 dB. And you can see it is in VST3 AU AA native audio suite for Mac and VST3 AAX native audio suite for Windows. And they further include that Mac versions require a graphic card that supports Metal, and Windows version requires a graphic card that supports OpenGL. Now, let's put it to work and hear it in action. So you can see it's quite a simple UI with the frequency knob, the output knob, and the boost. One more thing, to bypass it, you click on the Lovend icon or text. Once it turns white, it is in bypass. Once it turns red, it is activated. Now let's put it to work. This is without the plugin. Alright guys, I believe with this few demonstration, you totally understand what this plugin is capable of and also how to use it. But don't take it for what I'm saying. Try it out and let us know in the comments below your thoughts, your findings. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and most importantly turn on your bell notification for more contents like this. And if you are also interested to have good deals on plugins, I always update deals, grids, offs on plugins either in Plugin Boutique, WA Production, and any other platform. So make sure to utilize these great offers in the description. So just to let you know, the links are affiliate links, and trust me, it has nothing to add or reduce from your purchases. So it is just a way of helping the channel. If you're interested to check out amazing free plugins I've covered on this channel, the video on the screen right now is a playlist and it covers a whole lot. Go there, who knows? You might find something super interesting and I'll see you there. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.